Which wireless intercom system is actually worth your time? It's a simple question, but the options can be overwhelming. Today, let's cut through the noise and find the best picks for your home or office.
Product number 1, Hosmart UltraSpeak Pro. The Hosmart UltraSpeak Pro. Priced at $104.99, this intercom caught my attention with its impressive 1,200-foot range. If you want clear sound and an easy setup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The UltraSpeak Pro features full duplex communication, meaning you can talk and listen at the same time without holding a button. This is perfect if you're in a busy environment where you need hands-free communication, like a kitchen or an office. The sound quality is crystal clear, so you won't miss important messages. Plus, it's designed to work in various locations, from your garage to your living room, making it very versatile. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky since they need to be plugged in. Here's the thing though, as long as you have a suitable outlet, it's easy to set up, and the convenience it brings makes it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you need reliable communication across a large area. Skip this one if you're looking for a battery-operated option, but for the price, it offers great value. Now, if the price of the UltraSpeak Pro raised eyebrows, the next one might catch your interest at a lower price point.
Product number 2, Hosmart Intercoms Wireless. We have the Hosmart Intercoms Wireless for Home, which retails for $149.99. This system includes 6 stations and also boasts a 1,200-foot range. If you need to communicate with multiple rooms easily, this is a great option. What stands out here is the user-friendly design. Just like the UltraSpeak Pro, it offers full duplex communication, no need to press buttons constantly. You can set it up in various rooms, perfect for families or businesses. It also connects to smartphones for added convenience. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clear people are buying into this. However, some users mentioned that the sound quality wasn't as good as expected compared to pricier models. That said, for general use in a household or small office, it does the job well. If you're after something that won't break the bank while still delivering solid performance, this is a strong contender. This is perfect for larger homes or offices that need a reliable communication system. Skip this one if you only need a basic intercom for 1 or 2 rooms. Value-wise, it's a fair deal for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious folks.
Product number 3, Hosmart UltraSpeak Intercom. The Hosmart UltraSpeak Intercom is an attractive option for those on a budget. It has the same reliable 1,200-foot range, but is designed for 2 stations. If you want simplicity and affordability, take a look at this. This intercom is incredibly easy to use. Just plug it in and you're good to go. It provides the same full duplex communication as its pricier counterparts, which means you can chat without interruption. The sound quality? Excellent for everyday use, making it a favorite among families. With 100 units sold recently, it's clear this is a popular choice for those needing basic communication. However, some users found the lack of additional stations limiting. Here's the thing though, if you only need a couple of intercoms for your home, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. The price makes it an appealing option for light users. This is perfect for small homes or apartments that need a straightforward intercom solution. Skip this if you require extensive coverage or multiple stations. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more range, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 4, Sanzuko Upgraded Intercoms. The Sanzuko Upgraded Intercom, priced at $102.89. This one stands out with a remarkable range of 5,300 feet. If you need long-distance communication, this could be just what you're looking for. What's impressive about this intercom is its technical innovation. It features 18 channels and 2 secret codes to avoid interference, ensuring clear communication. This is a big plus if you live in a crowded area. The hands-free operation is super convenient, allowing for seamless conversations. Plus, with its group call function, it's perfect for business settings where quick communication is essential. Now, some users noted that installation can be a bit complex, which isn't ideal for everyone. But I think the advanced features and the extensive range make it worth the extra effort for anyone needing reliable communication. This is perfect for offices or large homes where you need to connect multiple rooms. Skip this if you're looking for something simple or if you have a smaller space. It offers great value for its capabilities. All right, that wraps up some strong options. But the final pick on our list is one that combines affordability with functionality.
Product number 5, HoSmart UltraSpeak Pro 2-packs for $52.99. This version offers a nice balance between price and usability. If you're looking to set up 2 spaces without breaking the bank, this option is worth checking out. This model retains the essential features of its counterparts: user-friendly operation, clear sound, and hands-free communication. It allows for easy communication across different areas of your home or office with a 1,300-foot range. Given the recent sales, it seems to be a hit for those who appreciate convenience. However, I did see complaints about its sound quality compared to more expensive options, but honestly, for casual use, it performs admirably, especially at this price point, which makes it a solid choice for those on a budget. This is perfect for families or small offices needing reliable, simple communication. Skip this if you want advanced features or extensive range. Overall, it offers excellent value for the cost.
So, if you're after a solid wireless intercom, you've got options. The HoSmart UltraSpeak Pro is fantastic for range, while the HoSmart Intercom's wireless offers multiple stations. For budget options, the HoSmart UltraSpeak Intercom and the Sanzuko model deliver great features at lower prices. And the 2-pack HoSmart is perfect for simple setups. Choose based on your needs and enjoy effortless communication.